Hey friends, let's go for a tour of my beautiful room in Krabi, Nang in the Viang Viman Resort. It all starts out with a cozy little seating area that is actually shared by 2 rooms, but I'm alone here right now, so I have it all to myself. Next, we enter into the main room, which isn't big, but it's cozy. It has a lot of very cute details. You can also find a king-size bed here and a small working desk, which has a fridge right next to it. That is perfect, so you can grab a cool drink while you work on the laptop. A little downside is that in the room the internet isn't specifically fast, so you can do Skype calls, but uploading isn't really great and you can't do live streaming. On the other hand, when you go to the front desk of the hotel, they have very fast internet with 140 megabit, so you can really upload big files in seconds. It's really nice. I love little details like this hand-painted sign that on one side shows you want your room cleaned and on the other one that you don't want to be disturbed. Let's head over to the bath, where again everything is in wood and the room has a wonderful design. It's about 5:30 in the morning. I tried to get a car via the Grab app, but apparently everybody's still sleeping, so I'm trying to walk to the beach. It's about 20 minutes. Let's see if I can make it to sunset, sunrise. I don't think I can. Early morning in Thailand, there's some chicken on the road and dogs and everything. I haven't seen any apes yet, but yeah. Here, listen. According to Google Maps, there is supposed to be a road here, but apparently it has been closed off for a long time. It's even grown over. I guess I'm still gonna take it because I'm on foot, so that should be okay. Oh, let's see. I hope there's no wildlife here, like, I don't know. I don't know what could happen right now. This is crazy. The adventure is already on its way. It looks like this is the end. The landscape is spectacular. Also the vegetation, but I don't think I can cross over to the other road because there's like such a... It's like a rainforest over here going on. You see that? I mean, that's not the place where you want to be with bare, like not bare feet, but like naked legs. Okay, this looks like it was a roundabout. What is going on? Where am I? There's a path over there. This might be it. Wow, this might really be it. This is crazy, but let's try it. Oh God. Please don't... Oh, there's poop. Oh no, I don't know what this is. It doesn't look good. Oh, it's just gravel. Okay, and some banana leaves. Shh. What is going on? So this track now is even tighter. It's another closed road. There better not be some angry baboons up there in the forest. What is going on? Hey, you know what would be funny? First day here, I get lost in the jungle. I need to be saved. What the fuck was that? That's a bird saying "aua" like a human. Oh god. What is this? This is like a video game. You come out of the jungle and there's like a huge Buddhist temple here. You know what's interesting? All these millions of little seashells you see here on the beach have been alive creatures at some point. So kind of gives you a perspective on life and not to take yourself too serious when you do something. Just enjoy your time because as you can see here, it's over at some point. So now, the very moment that I'm here at the beach, I'm remembering I meant to buy one of these straps for my camera to hook it here on my backpack on the outside, and I didn't. I forgot that. Maybe I can buy one here. I also forgot to bring any kind of extra bag, so yeah. Now I have to take off my backpack every single time I need to get to my camera. Not very smart, not very prepared, but sometimes you do stupid things in life. Oh my god. I'm not a nature boy, and I have the soft feet to prove it. Oh my god. Can you imagine that there's usually hundreds, probably thousands of tourists here? I mean, right now, it's a paradise. Serenity is really nice. It's quiet, you can hear the birds, you can see the crabs in the sea, clean water. But, I mean, if here is like hundreds, thousands of people at the beach, everybody's screaming, playing music, that's not quite the same thing, right? Hello. In diese Löcher. That's what's in those holes. It's crabs, it's large crabs. I thought it's like, I don't know, mice or something, because they are quite large, bigger than a wine bottle neck. It's crabs. Funny. Alright, so this is my dinner today, 45 bucks, pretty good. And I kind of feel like I'm gonna have a pretty strong sunburn tomorrow. Let's see, I hope not. I really hope not, but let's see what's going to happen. Okay. By the way, it's still in the morning and it's so hot, you have no idea. I'm sweating bullets, I think is the saying. Yeah, it's 8, it's not even 9 in the morning. So yeah, wow. By the way, you might want to buy a Gatorade if you're in Thailand, because this is isotonic. If you sweat a lot, you will lose more salts and minerals than you can pick up by food. So the Gatorade will refill that and you will not get sick while you're here from the sun. You can alternatively also get isotonic powder from the pharmacy or some other source, and then put it in your water. That's also good if you don't want to buy this, and probably it's also cheaper to do that.